Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. First of all, I wish you Ramadan Mubarak. May Allah shower His mercy in this month upon us. Today, we are going to discuss about the properties of acids. So, let us start our topic, that is about the properties of acids. First property of acids is that they have sour taste and turns blue litmus solution to red. First property of acids is that they have sour taste and they turns blue litmus solution to red. Another property of acids is that acid solutions conduct electricity. Acid solutions conduct electricity. What is an acid solution? When an acid is dissolved in water, जब हम एक एसिड को वाटर में डिसॉल्व करते हैं, it forms acid solution. Acid solution conduct electricity. Why it conducts electricity? Because when an acid is dissolved in water, जब हम एक एसिड को वाटर में डिसॉल्व करते हैं, acid it ionizes, it dissociates into ions. Due to the formation of ions, due to the presence of ions, acid solutions conduct electricity. जब हम एक एसिड को वाटर में डिसॉल्व करते हैं, ये जो एसिड होता है, it dissociates, it splits into its ions, और उन्हीं ions की वजह से इसमें इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पास होती है. सो दे आर ऑल्सो नोन एज इलेक्ट्रोलाइट्स. Acid solutions are electrolytes. Another property of acids is about their physical state. Physical state of acids. There are some acids which exists in liquid state, and some acids they exist in solid state. For example, acetic acid exists in liquid state, formic acid exists in liquid state, and in the solid state there are boric acid, oxalic acid. So some acids they exist in liquid state, while as some acids they exist in solid state. Another property of acids is that they are corrosive in nature. Mainly mineral acids, they are corrosive in nature. Mainly mineral acids. जो हमारे पास मिनरल एसिड्स होते हैं, मिनरल एसिड्स आर हाईली corrosive in nature. What is meant by corrosive? इसका मतलब क्या होता है corrosive क्या? That is they can degrade up the materials. They can degrade up the materials like cloth, wood, metal structures, skin, etc. Acids they are highly corrosive in nature. Mainly mineral acids they are highly corrosive in nature. That is mineral acids they can degrade up the material. So mineral acids are never stored in metal structures. जो हमारे पास मिनरल एसिड्स है, मिनरल एसिड्स को हम स्टोर नहीं करते किसमें? मेटल वेसल्स में. Why? Because mineral acids they are corrosive. They slowly degrade up the material, slowly eat up the material in which it is present. So mineral acids they are never stored in metal structures, metal vessels. Then they are stored in glass containers. glass containers or ceramics containers. Ceramics containers. Acids, they are corrosive in nature. Corrosive, it means that they can degrade up the materials like clothes, wood, metal structures, skin. Mineral acids, they are highly corrosive in nature, so they are never stored in metal vessels because they can degrade slowly and slowly the metal vessel. So they are stored in glass containers or ceramics containers. Another property of acids is reaction with metals. Reaction with metals. When acids react with metals, metal salt and hydrogen gas is formed. When metals they react with dilute acids, metal salt and hydrogen gas is formed. Only those metals which are more reactive than hydrogen, only those metals which are more reactive than hydrogen reacts with acids and form metal salt and hydrogen gas. Those metals which can displace, which can reduce the hydrogen which is present in the acids, react with acids and form metal salt and hydrogen gas. For example, zinc plus dilute sulfuric acid H2SO4. This zinc, it is more reactive than hydrogen. Zinc is more reactive than hydrogen. So zinc, it displaces, it reduces hydrogen. Then zinc sulfate ZnSO4, it is a salt and hydrogen gas is formed. One more example, magnesium plus dilute H2SO4. This magnesium, it is also more reactive than hydrogen. So magnesium can displace the hydrogen. It can reduce the hydrogen. Then magnesium sulfate MgSO4. It is also a salt and hydrogen gas is formed. Let us take the example of copper. Copper plus dilute H2SO4. In this reaction, this copper, it is less reactive than hydrogen. Copper, it is less reactive than hydrogen. So copper cannot displace, carbon cannot remove, carbon cannot reduce the hydrogen. So no reaction occurs. Only those metals which are more reactive than hydrogen can displace the hydrogen from the acids, then metal salt and hydrogen gas is formed. यहाँ पे आप लोगों ने देखा कि जो हमारे पास मेटल्स है, मेटल्स किसके साथ रिएक्ट होते हैं? विद एसिड्स. हमारे पास कर्ड है और बहुत सारे हमारे पास ऐसे फूड आइटम्स है विच हैव सोर टेस्ट. सोर टेस्ट क्यों होता है उनको? बिकॉज acids are present in the curd and other food items. So we should never store curd in metal vessels. We should never store curd or any other food items which are acidic in nature in the metal vessels like copper vessels or brass vessels. Why? Because the acids present in the food items, the acid present in the food item, it can react with the metal vessel and it forms poisonous and toxic compounds which can cause food poisoning. So it is advised that we should never store curd or any other food item which is acidic in nature in the metal vessels, because the acids present in the food items, the acid present in the curd, it can react with the metal vessel and it can form harmful, dangerous, toxic chemical compounds which can cause food poisoning. Another property of acids is reaction with metal carbonates. Reaction with metal carbonates. Metal carbonates and और किनके साथ? metal hydrogen carbonates. Reaction of acids with metal carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates. When acids, जब acids react होती है किसके साथ? metal carbonates. या किसके साथ रिएक्ट हो जाएंगे? मेटल हाइड्रोजन carbonates. They form salt, carbon dioxide and water. When acids react with metal carbonates or metal hydrogen carbonates, acids when they react with metal carbonates or with metal hydrogen carbonates, salt, carbon dioxide and water is formed. For example, Na2CO3, sodium carbonate. Sodium is a metal, that is metal carbonate, sodium carbonate. It reacts with dilute HCl, then salt, NaCl, carbon dioxide and water is formed. Another example is sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate, that is metal hydrogen carbonate plus dilute HCl. It also gives us NaCl plus carbon dioxide and water. This sodium hydrogen carbonate, it is also known as sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate, and its common name is baking soda. Common name of sodium hydrogen carbonate is baking soda. When baking soda reacts with dilute acid, it forms salt, carbon dioxide and water. The carbon dioxide formed in this reaction, जो यहाँ पे कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रिलीज हुआ है, ठीक है, this carbon dioxide it reacts with lime water. When it is treated with calcium hydroxide, its common name is lime water. When carbon dioxide is reacts with lime water, that is calcium hydroxide. This lime water, it turns milky. Its color changes, it turns milky. Plus carbon dioxide. Why it turns milky? Because a white precipitate of calcium carbonate is formed. When carbon dioxide reacts with lime water, that is calcium hydroxide, this lime water, it turns milky. Why? Because there is a formation of white precipitate. Due to the formation of this white precipitate, lime water, it turns milky. यहाँ पे हमें लिखा सोडियम हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट विच इज नोन एज बेकिंग सोडा. इसकी एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंस है इन आवर लाइफ. इंपॉर्टेंस क्या है? इफ ड्यू टू ओवर ईटिंग की वजह से एसिडिटी हो जाएगी, ज्यादा एसिड सिक्रीट हो जाएगा इन द स्टोमक. इट कॉज पेन, इरिटेशन इन द स्टोमक. इफ वी टेक द बेकिंग सोडा, अगर हम बेकिंग सोडा लेंगे, ठीक है, वो बेकिंग सोडा किसके साथ रिएक्ट हो जाएगा? विद द डाइल्यूट एसिड विच इज प्रेजेंट इन द स्टोमक. बेकिंग सोडा अगर हम लेंगे, इट रिएक्ट्स विद द डाइल्यूट एसिड इन द स्टोमक, देन it neutralizes the effect of acid, so it acts as an anti-acid. Baking soda or sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate, it acts as an anti-acid. What is an anti-acid? Anti-acid is that chemical substance, those medicines which neutralizes the effect of an acid, which neutralize the effect of acid, that are known as anti-acids. They remove acidity. So baking soda, it can be used as an anti-acid. We all know that chalk, marble, limestone, eggshells, marble, chalk, limestone, eggshells. What happens when marble, when chalk, when limestone, or when eggshells are treated with acids, which gas is formed? We know that marble, chalk, limestone, eggshells, they contain a compound, mainly calcium carbonate, CaCO3, मेटल कार्बोनेट, कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट किसमें प्रेजेंट होता है? मार्बल में, chalk में, limestone में या eggshells. When it reacts with dilute acids, suppose at Cl, then salt बनेगा. कौन salt? कैल्शियम क्लोराइड, CaCl2 प्लस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड वाटर. यहाँ पे आपको याद रखना है कि which gas is formed when eggshells, when limestone, when chalk, when marble is treated with dilute HCl, a dilute sulfuric acid. Answer is carbon dioxide gas. Another reaction is reaction with bases. Reaction with bases. Reaction with bases. When acids reacts with bases, salt and water is formed. जब एसिड्स बेसिस के साथ रिएक्ट हो जाते हैं वहां पे साल्ट और वाटर बनता है. दिस रिएक्शन इज नोन एज न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन. In this reaction, an acid, it neutralizes the effect of base and the base neutralizes the effect of acid. Acid neutralizes the effect of base and the base neutralizes the effect of acid. So it is known as neutralization reaction. In this reaction, salt and water is formed. For example, HCl, hydrochloric acid, HCl plus sodium hydroxide, NaOH, it is a base. Then salt is formed, NaCl, sodium chloride, that is common salt, and H2O, water is formed. Another example, H2SO4, sulfuric acid, which is known as king of chemicals. When it reacts with a base, that is sodium hydroxide, it forms a salt, that is Na2SO4, Na2SO4, sodium sulfate, and water is formed. So when acids reacts with bases, salt and water is formed. This reaction is known as neutralization reaction because in this reaction an acid, it neutralizes the effect of base and the base neutralizes the effect of acid. In this reaction, salt and water is formed. Another reaction is with metal oxides. Reaction with metal oxides. With metal oxides. We have already learned that metal oxides are basic in nature. Metal oxides are basic in nature. So when metal oxides, they react with the bases. When acids react with metallic oxides, यहाँ पे देखिए एसिड मेटल ऑक्साइड के साथ रिएक्ट होता है। मेटल ऑक्साइड क्या होती है? बेसिक एसिड प्लस बेस। देन इन दिस रिएक्शन salt and water is also formed. That is, it is also a type of neutralization reaction. For example, हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे कोई मेटल ऑक्साइड, सपोज CuO, कॉपर ऑक्साइड, black in color, when it combines with dilute HCl, hydrochloric acid, then copper chloride, CuCl2, copper chloride, and water is formed. This copper chloride is blue green in color. यहाँ पे आप याद रखिए, copper oxide black in color, when it reacts with dilute acid HCl, then copper chloride which is blue green in color and water is formed. Another example is CaO, calcium oxide. Calcium oxide, its common name is क्विक लाइम. इसको याद रखना है, इसका कॉमन नेम क्या है? क्विक लाइम. When it reacts with dilute HCl, then salt and water is formed. CaCl2, calcium chloride, and water is formed. When metal oxides react with acids, salt and water is formed. Then one more reaction is reaction with metal hydroxides. With metal hydroxides, we also know that metal hydroxides are also basic in nature. Metal hydroxides are basic in nature. So when metal hydroxides react with acids, then salt and water is formed. Acids plus metal hydroxides, then salt and water is formed. For example, हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे HCl, हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड, प्लस मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड MgOH2, मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. It is a base. This is acid. Then salt and water is formed. MgCl2, magnesium chloride, and water is formed. This magnesium hydroxide, its common name is milk of magnesia. This is known as milk of magnesia. This magnesium hydroxide, it is also used as an anti-acid. इसको भी हम एज एन एंटी एसिड इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. जिस तरह हमने बेकिंग सोडा को एज एन एंटी एसिड इस्तेमाल किया है, इसी तरह हम मिल्क ऑफ मैग्नीशिया को, दैट इज मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, उसको भी हम क्या एज ए एंटी एसिड इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. क्योंकि दिस मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड इट ऑल्सो रिएक्ट्स विद HCl, then salt and water is formed. It neutralizes the effect of acid. So magnesium hydroxide or milk of magnesia, it is also an example of antacids. What are antacids? Question आता है, what are antacids? Give examples. Simple answer. Antacids are those chemical compounds, those chemical substances which are used to treat, which are used to neutralize the effect of acids by removing the acidity. For example, baking soda, that is sodium hydrogen carbonate, and milk of magnesia, that is magnesium hydroxide. This was all about the properties of acids. First one property of acids जो हमने पढ़ी, that is they have sour taste and turns blue litmus to red. Second property, acid solutions conducts electricity. Third property, physical state. Some acids they exist in liquid state, some acids they exist in solid state. Then उसके बाद हमने पढ़ा reaction with metals. वहां पे हमने देखा salt and water is formed. Then reaction with metal carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates. वहां पे भी हमने देखा क्या salt कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड वाटर इज फॉर्म्ड। देन रिएक्शन विद बेसिस, वहां पे भी हमने देखा साल्ट एंड वाटर इज फॉर्म्ड। देन रिएक्शन विद मेटल ऑक्साइड्स, वहां पे भी साल्ट एंड वाटर। देन रिएक्शन विद मेटल हाइड्रोक्साइड, वहां पे भी साल्ट एंड वाटर इज फॉर्म्ड। थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे, अल्लाह हाफिज।